Here we're going to show you how to install a shower enclosure with 2 doors. In some countries you need to use a professional in order to meet local plumbing and building regulations. Please check whether this applies to you. We recommend 2 people to install this combination. Before you start, make sure all parts are included as listed in the assembly instructions. Start by unboxing the doors. Next, you need to drill 4 holes in each profile. Mark the profiles 160 to 200 mm and 700 to 740 mm from the top. Then the same distances from the bottom. Mark the holes on the profile, ensuring that they aren't too close to the edge of any tiles. Drill the holes in the profiles with a 5 mm drill bit. Position the first profile on the wall with the marks lining up with the outside face at a distance of 870 mm from the corner of your bathroom. Use a spirit level to ensure that it's vertical. Mark out the holes on the wall. If you're using the wall plugs provided, drill 6 mm holes into the wall using a suitable drill bit. A good tip here is to use a small bag that comes with the screws to collect the drill dust. Fill the holes with bathroom approved silicone. Fit the plugs. And fill the plugs with silicone. Add silicone to the wall and place the first profile. Then attach it to the wall with the screws that come as part of the package. These are suitable for use in bathrooms. Repeat with the second profile. Protect the floor in order to avoid damage to it or to the shower doors. Fit the magnetic seals to both the doors so that they are level with the bottom of the glass. Measure, cut and fit the bottom seals for the shower doors, ensuring that the correct end of the seal is cut. The lip should be on the inside of the shower area. It is now time to install the doors. These are made from aluminium and 6 mm thick tempered safety glass that is durable and impact resistant. Place the first door into the wall profile. Do the same with the second door. Make sure that they are aligned. You do this by checking that the top of the glass in the doors is at the same level and that the magnetic seals are aligned and fully in contact with each other. Measure where to fix the shower doors. Make sure the fixings match the profiles on the inside of the shower enclosure. Then drill the holes with a 3 mm drill bit inside the shower area. Be careful to not drill through to the other side of the profile. Fix the shower door using the provided screws. Add silicone to the plastic caps and cover the screws. Fit the handles onto the doors. Now mark, remove and cut the magnetic seals to the right length. Then refit them. Finally, seal with silicone. Do not seal the inside of the enclosure. You need to wait 24 hours before using your new IKEA shower cabinet. In some countries, additional steps may be required in order to meet local building regulations. Check whether this applies to you.